In this video, we are going to go over how to do a Minnesota criminal records check, a Minnesota arrest records check, how to look up jail records, how to find prison records, and things like that. So come down to minnesotapublicrecords.com. There should be a link in the description too. You can click on that or just type it into your browser. On the front page here, you'll find a list of public records available in the state of Minnesota. They're alphabetized, so there could be something of interest to you here, but we're going to focus specifically on criminal records. So we created pages for the most records that people want the most. So background checks, criminal records, court records, like warrants, inmate search, things like that. So these pages are they have more details regarding the topic. So let's say you click on the criminal records page, and what you have available here to you are all the statewide resources that you can use to look at criminal records and arrest records, prison records, jail records, things like that. These are all state official records. If you click on the background check page, you'll notice also you have a very similar setup here, anything from court records. And you have to remember that once a person gets arrested and sees a judge, there's going to be a court record created. So looking up criminal records and arrest records doesn't just involve looking at jail records. You can find a whole lot more information actually looking at an actual case file using court records. So you have anything from court records to the criminal history check offered by the State Department of Public Safety to the offender registry. You also have things at the county level. So if, let's say, somebody got arrested and released the same day or within a couple of days, they're not necessarily going to prison, so you're not going to find them in the Minnesota Department of Corrections, but the local sheriff's department, if they have a database, you can find them there. So we have top counties here that you're able to research for that information. So just figure out exactly what you're looking for and find the correct database for you. Another thing to consider is a private database, which is the name search on top with the first name and the last name. You can do practically an instant search. This private database compiles information from not just the local resources or the state of Minnesota resources. It goes outside the state. So it pulls records from multiple states, multiple databases, and compiles them into one. So you might have an individual that's living in Minnesota now, but let's say a few years ago they were living in Georgia and they had a criminal record there. So if you want to make sure nothing is missed, it's a good idea to check other places too. And so this gives you an opportunity to kind of get that big picture view. There's also things in there that public databases might not have, like maybe cell phone information, previous addresses. They look at all sorts of databases. So it's a good tool to use together with the local search to make sure that you're covering all of your bases. So once again, minnesotapublicrecords.com. Come on down and get started on your Minnesota criminal records search. Thank you.